Okay, let's see what gifts he has got. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So here we have reached JEBEL SIFAH Resort, SIFAH Boutique Hotel. There's the entrance. Welcome to JEBEL SIFAH. Yes, thank you very much for welcoming us. Salam. Okay, he wanted to check a lot of things, so finally we got through. Now we don't know where is the reception, so we have to search for it. Yes, this way. This way is SIFAWY Hotel. Yes, SIFAWY Boutique Hotel, and this is the parking. We have to search for a parking slot here. I think this one, the first one. That's a nice one. They're just waiting for us. Parking slot. So let's do the bigger spot. So let's have a room tour first. And the thing is, today is our anniversary, marriage anniversary. So we are here for 2 days to celebrate our marriage anniversary with this my beautiful wife. Okay, so let's have a room tour. So that's the entrance, and here the sofas. Can you please put on the light? So this is the living room, living space you can say, and This is the walk-in wardrobe. Oh yeah. And somebody's laughing inside. Who is that? Ah yes, big and spacious one. And this one also nice. With a big mirror, you can see. Okay, they have given a safety locker. You can put your wallets, your mobile, your valuable items here, and you can do the locking. And yeah, it's a big wardrobe. As you can see, it's a big mirror also, and some small lights, beautiful lights. Now we are approaching to the bedroom, and here it is. Wow, wonderfully decorated with flowers, with small lights. Oh, nice. Oh, what is this, painting or something? No, it's not a painting, it's a big photo. There's the bathroom. Wow, this is a huge one. That's the shower area. Wow, it's quite a huge one. Weight machine. Oh, your bathrooms. Nice. Let me show you the photo clearly. That's really nice. Here we go to the wow. So there is a balcony over here. Wow, look at the lights. Nice one. Wow, some chairs and tables they have given also. Oh, lights are quite fantastic. From there you get a nice view of the swimming pool. Wow. That's the view from our balcony, room balcony. Nice hotel. Yeah, you can see some yachts are there. Yachts and some boats. Here also a big door is there to go to the living space. And centralized AC. So this is a small minibar they have given. You can see 2 water, small coffee pouch. You can see. Yeah, some sugar, zero calorie sugar, some milk, and refrigerator also. Okay, that's it. So today we have a small celebration for our anniversary. We have a cake cutting. Let's go. Okay. We have a small cake here. And happy anniversary, darling.
Same to you.
Okay. Nice piece of cake for my darling. My beautiful darling. Okay, just wait. And some fries for you. Fries. Happy anniversary, darling.
Thank you so much. Happy family.
There is a big surprise. Okay, let's see what gifts he has got. Oh, this is something from the mass. Okay. Okay. Okay, let us see what she got from the mass. And wow, this is a wonderful
Wow,
plant.
so beautiful.
Wow.
Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful, right? Yeah. See.
I know it's so beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Are you happy in wearing this?
Yeah, sure. You should.
Okay, I can see. Can see shoot. One second. I'll try my best. Your hair's not on the way. Yes! Gotcha! Yes! Wow, this is nice. This is absolutely nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Come here, darlings. Our beautiful darlings. Come this side, darling. Where are you? Yo yo! Okay. Thank you very much, guys. So, how is the diamond pendant, darling?
It's so lovely.
Oh, it's so lovely. This is the ground floor. It looks like this, all illuminated with beautiful lights. Now we are going for dinner. Let's see what restaurant is there.